Hello my students, grade 8, how are you? Today we'll explain lesson number 3, Factorizing Special Cases from المعاصر book. First we'll explain perfect square. Okay, listen to me. First question. When does a terminal represent perfect square? We have three properties. The first term is perfect square, which is always positive. And the middle term is equal to positive or negative 2 square root of the first term produced by the third term. Number 3, the third is a perfect square which is always positive. النهارده يا ولاد طبعا يعني الليسون ده شرحناه قبل كده من كتاب المدرسة. النهارده من كتاب المعاصر بنتكلم بقى على البيرفكت سكوير وازاي الاكسبريشن نعمل فاكتورايزيشن. لما يكون بيرفكت سكوير لازم يكون الفيرست اللي عندي ليه سكوير روت يعني بيرفكت سكوير، والثيرد بيرفكت سكوير لازم يكون بوزيتيف وهنا بوزيتيف، والميدل عباره عن 2 product by square root of the first product by square root of the third. Listen to me about first question here. We will try to resolve number 1. Okay, which of the following terms represent a perfect square and which don't? First question. طبعا اول شيء يا اولاد بنجيب السكوير روت للفيرست والثيرد. هنا موجود سكوير روت اوف 25 اللي هو 5x. فاهم؟ سكوير روت 25x باور 2 equal 5x. اوكي، وكمان عندي هنا سكوير روت لل1 بيطلع 1. طب الميدل هناخد 2 product by square root of first اللي هو 25x باور 2 product by the third. يطلع result 2 times 5x equal 10x. طبعا positive or negative، فبالتالي this perfect square. أقول له yes. First perfect square because the middle equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first product by square root of the third. Number 2 we have 9 in power 2 subtract by 15m plus 25. We have square root here, a square root here. Look at the middle equal 2 square root of first product by the third equal 2 product by square root of 9 3 m product by 25 5 3 times 2 6 6 times 5 30. It's a lot. Okay, this expression not perfect square because the middle must be 30. Number 3 we have 28xy subtract by 4x power 2 plus 49 y power 2. It's not. Why? Because square root of 28x, this number negative. Okay, this is negative because we haven't negative 4x power 2 not polling to the real number. It must be positive. Okay, لازم طبعا يا ولاد السكوير روت ده يطلع حلك. لازم ما ينفعش الساين تبقى نيجاتيف لان مفيش سكوير روت نيجاتيف. تعالى نكتب بقى فاكتورايزيشن ونحل اكزامبلز كتير على النوع ده طالما هو جابهولك وانت اتاكدت ان هو بيرفكت سكوير، فتقدر تعمل فاكتورايزيشن مباشر زي الريليشن اللي معانا دي مباشره. اي اكزامبل يجي لنا بنحلها بنفس الميثود اللي معانا دي. خلاص، فطالما هو يا مستر كان بيرفكت ايه؟ بيرفكت سكوير. وتعالى برضو عندنا لما يبقى في 3 تيرمز هنعمل لها رول مهمه جدا لما نيجي نحل. تمام؟ او 4 تيرمز. طيب هناخد ال 4 تيرمز حالا ان شاء الله. نركز بس الاول في الاكزامبل البسيط اللي معانا ده اللي اتعودنا عليه. هنا هعمل فاكتورايزيشن بالنسبه للفيرست 1 16 m power 2 plus 56 m plus 49. We can find the square root of the first. It will be 4m and the third will be 7 and write positive here and power 2 because it's perfect square. Number 2 we have 50a power 2 plus 18 subtract by 60. Okay, in this example we can write هتكون factor between them but repeat تبدل الاول، لازم ده يجي في النص. تمام؟ يبقى انا عندي هنا 50a power 2 subtract by 60a plus 18 and then you can write the هتكون factor between 3 terms. Write 2 outside. 25 divided by 2 equal 50 divided by 2 equal 25. 25a power 2 subtracted by 6 divided by 2 equals 30. 18 divided by 2 equal 9. This expression we called it perfect square because in the middle here 2 times square root of the first and the third. You can find the result by write the square root of the first. It will be 5a. Square root of 9 it will be 3 and write negative and outside power up. Okay. Next question, number 3. We have 4xy plus 4x power 2 plus y power 2. We must arrange this expression. Right, 4x power 2 plus 4xy plus y power 2. And then find square root of the first, will be 2x, for square root of the third, y, write the positive and power 2 up. Next question, number 4. We have 20xy subtract by 2y power 2 subtract by 5tx power 2. First step, we must arrange, right? Negative 2y power 2 and 20xy negative 50x power 2. We can raise the negative here, negative 1 or negative 2 had common factor between 3 expressions. It will be here y power 2, 20 divided by 210, and 50 negative divided negative positive, 50 divided 20, 50 divided by 2 25 equal negative 2, and square root of the first, square root of the third, and raise the sign here in the middle and the power 2 up. Understood? Next question. Try to resolve number 3. نبدأ بقى المرة دي ناخد بالنسبة للنمبرز. And I'm going to simplest form the value here, number 1. 55 power 2 plus 2 times 55 times 45. That's 45 power 2. We can find square root of the first, will be 55, and the third will be 45, and the sign here positive, and right power 2. Okay, we can add together, it will be 100. 100 power 2, it will be 10,000. Questions number 2. 34 power 2 subtract by 2 times 34 times 4 plus 16. We can write square root of the first, it will be 34, and square root of the third, it will be 4, and raise the sign of the middle and then power 2. And the result will be 30 power 2, it will be 900. Okay, now we can find the value. مهم جدا يا حبايبي تبقى عارف ازاي تجيب الفيرست تيرم. مهم جدا الفيرست تيرم عبارة عن middle term power 2 over the third term power 4. كذلك لو انت عايز تحسب وقف الفيديو وقول له احفظهم. عايز تجيب الثيرد خلاص قلنا الميدل باور 2 over 4 times the first، وكذلك الفيرست عكسها. خلاص تعال نحل اكزامبل بقى على الكلام ده. تراي اوتيلوس كل دي اكزامبلز محلوله يا ولاد. خلاص حاول تقراهم. Try yourself number 4. Find the value of k that makes each of the following perfect square. Okay, tell us in the example here perfect squares, and we can find about question number 1. We have 16x power 2 plus kxy plus y power 2. We know kxy equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the third and the first, 16x power 2 times square root of y power 2. Okay, then kxy equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, square root of 16, it will be 4 x power 2 x and y power 2 y. Then the result will be positive or negative 2 times 4 8 x y. We can cancel xy by xy. Then the value of k equal positive or negative 8. Okay, next question number 2. We have 81x power 2 plus 36xy plus k. It's a perfect square. We can find the value of k. K here we sit here in the third. Then k equals the middle power 2, 36xy power 2 over 4 times the first, 81 x power 2. 36 power 2, it meaning 36 times 36 and x power 2 y power 2. 4 times 81 x power 2, x power 2 by x power 2. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 9 divided by 9 1. 81 divided by 9 equal 9. 36 divided by 9 equal 4. 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 9 1. Then the result will be 4y power 2. Then the value of k equal positive 4y power 2. Next question, number 3. K power 2 k power 2 x power 4 plus 42 x power 2 plus 9. This is the first. Okay, then k power 2 x power 4 equal positive or negative 2 reduced by, we have the first here, right? 4 42 x power 2 all power 2 over 4 reduced by the third. Okay, because we want to find the value of k. K here present as the first term. Then we have k power 2 x power 4 equal 42 times 42 x power 4. 4 times 9 equal 36. You can start 42 times 42 in your calculator. 42 by 42 divided by 36, it will be 49. 49 x power 4. Okay, then we can find the value of k. Then k power 2 equal 49. Then the value of k equal positive or negative square root of 49 to be positive or negative 7. It's the value of k. Next question, number 4. We can find the value of k. K here lies in the middle. Number 4. 9 x power 2 subtract by kx plus 16. K here lies in the middle. Then we know kx equal positive or negative 2 square root of the first 9x power 2 reduced by square root of 16. Then kx equal positive or negative square root of 9, it will be 3, and x square root of 4, 16 equal 4. Then the k x equal positive or negative 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 equal 24 x. Okay, then we can cancel x by x divided by x, or here k is a coefficient. K is a coefficient. Okay, then k will be positive or negative 24. Okay, understood? We have this example. Then the coefficient of x equal positive or negative 24. That was question number 4. Next question. A square with an area 4x power 2 plus 3 plus 4 over 3x plus 1 over 9 square centimeter. Find the perimeter when x equals 6. He gives us the area. Then we can find the side lengths equal square root of the area. But area here we can simplify it. It's perfect square because 4x power 2 plus 4 over 3 or 4 over 3x plus 1 over 9. This expression we called it perfect square because the middle equal 2 times square root of the first times square root of the third. Then we can simplify it, right? Square root of the first will be 2x and the third 1 over 3, and raise the sign in the middle and then power up. Okay, it's area. Then the lengths, side lengths equal square root of the area. Then the result will be 2x plus third. We have the length of square. We know square has 4 sides are equal lengths, and the perimeter of square equals side by 4. So the perimeter equal 4 product by length. Okay, then the perimeter equal 4 product by the length here 2x plus third. You can simplify 4 times 2 equal 8. 8x plus third times 4, it will be 4 over 3. At x equals 6, in the perimeter equal 8 product by 6 equal 48 plus 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3 it will be 1 and third. 1 plus 48 will be 49 and third centimeter. Okay, it's perimeter of square. Next question. Now we have equations. Try to solve. Number 6. Find the solution set in real numbers. Number 1. We have x power 2 plus 4x plus 4. This expression we called it perfect square. We can find the first here and the third and the sign in the middle, and then we can find square root of left hand side and right hand side. Then x plus 2 will be equal 0. We can put the square root here, in the value of x will be equal negative 2. Question number 2. Three x minus 2 equal negative 1. 3x times 3x equal 9x power 2. 3x times 2 equals 6x equal negative 1. And then 9x power 2 minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. Move negative 1 here to left hand side and change the sign. Then we have perfect square. We can find square root of the first. This will be 3x. And right in the middle, square root of the third. We can take square root positive or negative. About 0 it will be 0, okay? Then 3x minus 1 will be 0. Then 3x will be equal 1. We can divide it by 3. Then x equal 1 over 3. Boring to real numbers. Then the solution set will be 1 over 3. Factorize each of the following. Number 4. We have 1 plus 12x plus 36 square root of this expression. Perfect square. We can find square root of the first and the third and the sign of the middle. Okay, next question. Number 7. 16a power 2 subtract by 40ap plus 25p power 2. We have square root of the first and the third and the middle times 2 times 4 times 5 equal 40. This expression we called it perfect square. The square root of the first 4a and the third 5p, and write the negative between them, like the sign. Factorize each of the following completely, okay? Question number 3. m power 3 subtract by 2m power 2 plus m. We can write the headcom factor between 3 terms. It will be m. m power 3 divided by m, it will be m power 2. 2m power 2 divided m, it will be 2m. m divided by m equal 1. Then we can write m outside, square root of the first and the third and the sign in the middle, because this expression perfect square. Question number 7. 60ap subtract by 36a power 2 subtract by 25p power 2. Okay, we can write this expression first. Write the order 36a power 2 by negative and then find the headcom factor between them, negative, okay? Right, negative 36a power 2 plus 60ap and then negative 25p power 2. In this expression we must write the headcom factor between 3 terms. It will be negative. Equal, write negative outside, 36a power 2 subtract by 60ab plus 25p power 2. Write negative outside, and the square root of the first will be 6a and third 5p and power 2, write the sign here negative. Next question. Number 9. x power 2 times b minus c plus 2x product by p minus c plus b minus c. We have 1, 2, 3 terms. We can write b minus c headcom factor between 3 terms here. We can write p subtract by c outside headcom factor between 3 terms. This expression, term divided by p minus c, the result will be x power 2 plus expression divided b minus c, it will be 2x b minus c divide itself, it will be 1. And then we have b minus c here, product by this expression, x power 2 plus 2x plus 1. Square root of the first and square root of the third, and the sign here, all power 2. Question number 10. We have 2x power 3, product by a plus b, subtract by 12x power 2, product by a plus b plus 18x times a plus b. We can write 2 had factor between 3 terms, 2 and a plus b was repeating. Then this is the first expression divided by 2 product by a plus b. The remainder here, 2 divided by 2, 1, x power 3. We can write also x, then 2x ap had factor. 2 divided by 2, 1, x power 2, 3 divided by x, it will be x power 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, x power 2 divided by x equal x. 18 divided by 2 equal 9, x divided by x equal 1, a plus b divide itself, it will be 1. And then we can write 2x a plus b outside. And then this expression we call it perfect square. We can find square root of the first, it will be x, and the third square root 9, and the sign here and write power 2 up. Factorize each of the following. Number 3, we have 4 over 25 x power 2 subtract by 1 over 10x plus 1 over 64. We can find square root of the first and third, and the middle equal 2 times square root of the first and the third. Then we have perfect square. It will be 2 over 5x subtract by square root of this number, it will be 1 over 8 whole power 2. Question number 4, 0.01 x power 2 subtract by 0.2x plus 1. This expression, it will be 0.1 x and write negative, and square root of the 1 will be 1 all power 2, because this expression we called it perfect square. Square root of this number 0.01, it will be 1/10. Okay, next question, number 5. We have 7x product by 7x minus 10y plus 25y power 2. We can use their distributive properties. Okay, 7x times 7, x 7 times 7, 49, x times x power 2, and here 9 negative, and 7 times 10, 70, x times y, xy, plus 25y power 2. And then we can find square root of the first, will be 7x, and the third 5y, and then write negative here. Question number 6. 4x power 2 subtract by 7y product by 4x minus 7y. Right, 4x power 2 negative times positive negative. 4 times 7, 28 xy, and negative times negative positive. 7 times 7, 49, y times y power 2. We have here perfect square. Square root of the first and the third, sign negative, and then power 2 outside. Next section, number 7. m power 2 subtract by 11n product by 2m subtract by 11n. Then we have m power 2 negative times positive negative. 11 times 2 equal 22 mn. Negative times negative positive. 11 times 11, 121, n times n power 2. And then we can find this number in the simplest form. Now we have perfect square. Square root of the first and the third and the sign of the middle, and then power 2 up. Question number 8. X minus y all power 2 plus 4xy. We can raise this number in simplest form. X power 2, it will be x power 2, and negative y power 2, it will be y power 2, and in the middle 2xy. 8 to 4xy. We have similar terms here. We can add together. Okay, right, x power 2 and also y power 2, and 4xy plus negative 2xy, it will be 2xy. You can raise this number in simplest form. Square root of the first and the third, and raise the sign between them here positive. Okay, next question. Find the value of a that makes each of the following perfect square. Question number 2. بالمناسبة يا أولاد الإكزامبلز اللي عليه علامة كتاب المدرسة ده أنا حالي كتاب المدرسة كله على كل التمارين الخاصة بهذا الليسون. خلاص، فأنا بحل تمارين كتاب المعاصر. تمام، ركز معايا. اللي باور 4 بلس A plus 49 m power 2. This expression, he tell me the example, this expression perfect square. We can find the value of A. A here lies in the middle. Then the value of A equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, square root of the third. Then the value of A equal positive or negative 2 10 power 2 times 49 square root to be 7 m. The value of A equal positive or negative 2 times 7 14, 2 times 7 14. Okay, L power 2 here and M. It's the value of A. Next question number 3. Okay, number 3. 1 over 25 x power 2 subtract by axy plus 1 over 4 y power 2. This expression also perfect square. Then we have the middle term negative axy equal positive or negative 2 reduct by square root of the first reduct square root of the third. Then we have negative axy equal positive negative 2 times 1 over 5x product by 1 over 2y. 2 divided by 2 1. Then negative axy equal positive or negative 1 over 5y. We can divide it by y or hide common factor between them. Okay, we have also x. Okay, then negative a, it will be equal positive or negative 1 over 5. And the value of a equal positive or negative 1 over 5. Okay, understood? This is question number 3. Question number 4. 5. Okay, question number 5. Number 5, we have 25x power 2 plus 20x y plus a y power 2. Okay, who can solve this example? A y power 2 lies in the third. Then a y power 2 will be equal to the middle 20xy or power 2 over 4 product by the first 25x power 2. And the result will be 20 power 2, it will be 400 x power 2 y power 2 over 4 times 25 100 x power 2. We can divide it 400 divided by 10 4 and then write a y power 2. Cancel y power 2, y power 2 is an a equal 4, or a here is a coefficient. The value of a equal 4. Question number 6. Four x power 2 plus 28x minus a. Okay, a here lies in the third. This must be positive, not negative. Okay, then we can write negative a equal here the middle 28x all power 2 over 4 product by the third 4x power 2. 28 power 2, 28 times 28 x power 2, or 4 times 4. 28 divided by 4, 7, and here 7 times 7, 49. 49 x power 2 equal negative a. Then the value of a here will be negative 49 x power 2. انتبه للكوتشن ده مهم جدا يا حبيبي، لان هنا لازم تبقى بوزيتيف، فتاخد هنا ايه الساين نيجاتيف، ما تنساهاش. Next question, number 7. Okay, pay attention. We have ay power 4 subtract by 18y power 2 plus 81. We want to find the value a because this expression here needs perfect square. Then ay power 4 equal, it's the first, equal middle power 2 negative 18y power 2 over 4 product by the third. We have 81 or 18 y power 2 times 18 y power 2. Repeated this number again, negative times negative positive, over 4 times 81. We can simplify divided by 9. Okay, 81 divided by 9 equal 9, and 18 divided by 9 equal 2. 9 divided by 9 1. 18 divided by 9 equal 2. And then 2 times 2 4. 4 divided by 4 1. Then we have y power 2. Then a y power 2 equal y power 2. Then the value of a is coefficient of y power 2 1. Question number 7. Okay. Question number 8. A power 2 x power 2 subtract by 24xy plus 16y power 2. This expression we have 1 2 3. This expression a lies in the first. Then we have a power 2 x power 2 by the middle negative 24xy all power 2 over 4 product by the third. 24 power 2, meaning 24 times 24 y power 2 over 4 times 16. It will be a power 2 x power 2. Okay, understood. We have down, we have up here this number here x also power 2. Okay, this number is power 2 and y power 2. 20, okay, listen to me. 16 divided or 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 6 equal 36. Then 36 y power 2 x power 2 equal a power 2 x power 2. A power 2 x power 2. We can divide them. Then a power 2 will be equal 36 y power 2. Okay, we can write the coefficient of them. A power 2 equals 36 y power 2. And the value of a will be positive or negative square root of 36 y power 2. It will be 6y. Then the value of a equal positive or negative 6y. Okay, because here we have here a power 2, and then if you get the square root of the number, you must write positive or negative. Okay. Question number 6. Use factorization to calculate finding the value of each of the following. Number 1, 87 power 2 plus product by 13 product by 87 plus 13 power 2. We can write square root of the first, square root of the third, a sign of the middle, and then power up. We can add together. It will be 100. 100 power 2. It will be 100 times itself. It will be 10,000. Number 3. 7.3 all power 2 plus 2 product by 7.3 product 2.7 plus 2.7 all power 2. We have perfect square, square root of the first and the third, and write the sign of the middle. Then we can add together 7 plus 3, 10, 0 and carry 1, 3 plus 7 equal 10, 10 power 2, it will be 100. Next question number 5. 101 power 2 subtract by 2 times 101 plus 1. We can write square root of the first and the third and the sign of the middle. The result will be 100 power 2. The result will be 10,000. Next question. Find the solution set of this equation. Question number 5. X reduced by x minus 12 equal negative 36. Using here distributive properties, x times x equal x power 2, 12 times x equal 12x, and then move 36 to left hand side. And then we can factorization this expression. We called it perfect square. Right, square root of the first and the third and the sign of the middle, all power 2 equals 0. We can put square root from left hand side, right hand side. Then the answer here will be x minus 6 equals 0. So the value of x equals 6. It's boiling two real numbers. Then the solution set will be 6. Question number 7. We have 4 reduced by x plus 3 all power 2 subtract by 12 reduced by x plus 3 plus 9 equal 0. This expression we called it perfect square. We can find square root of the first, write 2 reduced by x plus 3, and square root of 9 equal 3, write the negative here, all power 2 equals 0. And then you can find the square root by left hand side, right hand side. If you get square root here, we can cancel square root by 2. Then we have 2 product by x plus 3 minus 3 equals 0. You can sample this by using distributive properties. 2 times x, 2x, total 3 equals 6, minus 3 equals 0. Then 2x, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Then we can move here to left hand side. Then the value of x equal negative 3 over 2. Putting two real numbers, then the solution set here negative 3 over 2. Okay. Next question, creative thinking. If the number 4x power 2 plus 12x is additive inverse of the number 9, find the value of x. Additive inverse of 9 is meaning this expression equal negative 9. Okay, then 4x power 2 plus 12x equal negative 9, because it tells us in the example this expression is additive inverse of 9. We can move negative 9 here. Then we have 4x power 2 plus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Then this expression we call it perfect square. You can write square root of the first and the third and the sign of the middle, right? All power 2 equals 0. We can take square root left hand side, right hand side. Then 2x plus 3 equals 0. So 2x will be equal negative 3. Then the value of x equal negative 3 over 2. Okay? Then the number of value of x equal negative 3 over 2.